Okay, and now we're back. I got the shaft hooked up and I greased everything on it. Had to put some oil in it. Had to put some oil in it in the gearbox. So she is now ready to go. So anyway, I'm going to have to edit this video because it worked out that I was doing a little bit. I'd do one of them and then something would come up and then I would get called away and then I'd have to come back, and so it's actually in like four pieces. So I got to actually edit it this time so I can put all four pieces into one if I can figure out how to do that. So anyway, it's on there. It's ready to be used. I got to go tomorrow and gonna go tomorrow and do the bush hogging. Maybe I'll try to have do some some of that too. We'll see. Second Chance Garage out.